August 2018, we had lightning strike our 80-foot radio tower on the back of our house. The lightning split the pole in half, almost all the way top to bottom. Had to rent a boom lift. First thing was to remove a bunch of the tree that was next to it. Then went up, moved the antennas, and then start cutting it down little bit by bit, top to bottom. Much thanks to Austin. Couldn't have done this at all without him giving me a hand getting that top 10 foot and more down. It was pretty stressful, to say the least. Here's the impact when we need it, huh? Here it is, 80 foot of pole and debris.